Hello guys, this time this LG inverter, look at this. We need to put the manual setting, but the situation cannot put, so we gonna check what's happened. Okay, this one should be coming here, not auto. Hold on. Okay, so we will disconnect the power or switch the main breaker to return the program of the setting the LG. Okay, 26 2 by 6. So now this is the AC main switch. We will off now. Let's see what's happening. Okay, now no power now. And again, no power. Okay, we will back again. 18, 19, 20. So almost how many minutes? Okay, now we will on. Okay. Okay now. Okay. Oh, okay, that's it. Now he will coming out now. So one before it's not coming out, now it's coming out. Okay, that's it. Only like this. In another side. Okay, see. Okay, one. Okay. Same before, not coming out this compressor cooling. That is it. Okay, only like this. Only like that. Okay.